Best dog breeds and tips for seniors. Discover the top dog breeds for seniors and why they make the perfect companions. Choosing the right dog breed can enhance a senior's quality of life immensely. Smaller breeds like poodles and Shih Tzus are ideal for older adults. Dogs offer companionship, reducing feelings of isolation in seniors. Regular interaction and the right toys are key to a dog's well-being. Adopting a rescue dog? Know their history and choose calmer breeds. For seniors, breeds like Bichon Frise, Maltese, and Pug are top picks. Remember, the right dog breed can make the golden years truly golden. Find your perfect furry companion and enjoy the joys of senior dog ownership.